and all seven words will be found in the
Puzzle
game. Yeah, the puzzle game. That we have 11 lines of the letter and to find all the words in the puzzle. So now we have 7 words. Yeah.
Lunchbox.
The number 1 is lunchbox.
Crayon.
Crayon. Balloon.
With the S. Train. Puzzle.
Pinwheel.
Bicycle.
Yeah. So start spelling all the words. Lunchbox.
Lunchbox. Crayon. Crayons. Balloon.
S. Yeah. Train.
Train.
Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Pinwheel. Pinwheel. Yeah. Okay. Can say like that now again. Wrong. Yeah. And then
Bicycle.
Yeah. I think you still not clear about pinwheel. So spelling pinwheel again. Pinwheel. Pinwheel. Yeah. Alright. Pinwheel. So now we already spelling and review the word. So the next step is still the same as old video. We start to find the word in the puzzle game. What you want to find? The first one. Crayon? Yeah. You already see or not yet? Oh, that's why. So please, up to you now. Crayon. You can still call with the black marker.
Because I always use this color, and
Okay.
now you have to use this color.
Okay. So now please, crayon where? C. Okay. Crayon start with letter C. We need with letter S because a lot of crayon. Not only one crayon, correct?
If we have only one crayon, we're gonna color our
Don't put
paper.
S. If only one, we not put
We
S.
gonna color the paper. The people gonna color purple face. They will.
So crayon. Take the text. And then, what you want?
I don't know what it.
So now I give you to find bicycle.
Bicycle.
Yeah. Bicycle is start with letter B.
No.
B.
No.
B.
Wait. No.
B.
Is it balloons?
Yes. I see you. I see you here. Yeah. Bicycle start with letter B. Finish with letter E. Bicycle. And then
What do your take?
I want you to find train.
Train?
Yeah,
It's easy.
letter T. Where? You know?
T?
Yeah. Okay. Please.
It's medium.
Okay. Please. Call train. Start with letter T. Finish with letter N. Yeah. Train.
With a
You spell. You can spell.
Train.
Yeah. Train. Correct. And then puzzle.
Puzzle.
Start with letter P.
I see.
You see?
Yeah.
Where? Okay, please. Yeah. Oh, I see also P. P-U. Start with letter P. We need with letter E. So spelling P-U-Z-Z-E. Puzzle.
Oh, no more ink.
Yeah.
Let me see.
No need.
Let me.
Okay. Then
I also have red.
I want you to find the line box.
Lunchbox.
Yeah, line box. Start with letter L. L.
Fly, see fly. Fly away from this house.
L.
What?
Where's letter L?
Oh, you see balloon.
Not yet. Now find line box first.
No.
L. Oh, I see. Yeah, line box. Line box. Start with letter L. We need to read letter X.
How many?
Line box when you go to work. When you go to to work or go to school, you will put the food in the line box for line time. Yeah.
Let me ready.
Yes.
Now I'm still a kid.
Yes. So
So
line
when
box.
I want to be a teacher.
None. And then Pinwheel.
What is it?
Where? You already see it not yet? Okay. Now start circle. Start with letter P. Finish with letter W. Yeah. Can spell? You can spell?
E-A-N-W-H-E-W
Wrong.
double N.
Yeah. Again.
E-I-N-W-H-E
Double
double N.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
And then the last one is balloon. Please find the balloon.
I see.
Where?
Yeah, because you see it there.
Okay, balloon with S. Yeah, because a lot of balloon.
Yeah, my
Start
teacher.
with letter B. We need with letter A. So spelling B A double double O and S. Yeah. Or we can spell one by one. B A L L O O and S. Like that. So all the bad word is done. So please review the word again.
Lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
Crayon. Balloon.
Balloon.
Train. Puzzle.
Puzzle.
We play, but it's hard for me.
Pinwheel. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
You move. Yeah. So start spelling again. Lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
And
Crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N.
S. Yeah. And then balloon.
Balloons.
Yeah. Balloon.
B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S.
And then
Train.
train.
K-R-A-I-N.
Puzzle.
Puzzle. P-U-Z-Z-L-E. Pinwheel. P-I-N-W-A-E-L.
Spell, you can spell, you can see here. If you not remember, you can look. Okay?
P-I-N-W-H-E-L-L.
And then the last one is
Bicycle.
bicycle.
B-I-C-Y-C-L-E.
Yeah. So,
C pronounce it into S.
yeah.
Because C bicycle.
Yeah.
C.
So, all the word we already find in the
What?
puzzle game and all already spelling and review. So our video is now finished.
And like and subscribe to our channel and say
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.